Wild animal. Man, this is a beautiful area. Port Gamble Heritage Park. This was given to the public community by the logging company as after they were done logging, and it's just crisscrossed with trails and beautiful second growth forest. And as you can see here, it's just a remarkable place, a peaceful place to hike with no people around, and our sweet doll baby gets to run around without a leash, but she stays on the trail, so there must be some coyotes or some bears or something out here. I don't know. That's what we've heard, that there's bears in the area. So anyway,